Hola clase, bienvenidos a la lección de los números. Los números. Los números en español son muy fáciles. They're very easy. Son muy fáciles. Most of you probably already know at least 1 through 10 in Spanish from Dora the Explorer or anything. But let's just practice them really quickly. If you don't know them, you may want to watch this video a couple times and just count with me and then start counting the forks in your kitchen and start counting the chairs around your dining room table. Just count everything you see until these numbers become very fluid for you. Or think about your phone number in Spanish and say your address in Spanish and count your change in Spanish and everything else to just practice your numbers until it gets comfortable for you. So, follow along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe let's try putting it to some rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try that over and over until it gets comfortable for you if you don't already know the 1 through 10. Now, you have to learn also the 11 through 15 because those are different. And then after that, everything is a pattern. So, it goes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now let's do it all together until 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Muy bien, muy bien. Ahora, here comes the pattern. Now, it's very simple because it's just the 10, 10, right here, 10, y, whatever. So 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 9. And then it goes to 20, and then the combination is the same. 20 and 1, 20 and 2, 20 and 3, 20 and 4. And then it's 30, 30 and 1, 30 and 2, 30 and 3. So really the only thing you have to learn once you get to 15 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're going to focus primarily on the numbers 1 through 31 because those are the numbers we're going to be using for dates, and they're more used than the higher numbers. And you will need to know the higher numbers, but they're not as important as 1 through 31. And if you absolutely cannot memorize anything else, then you won't lose as nearly as many points as if you just memorize 1 through 31 for now, and we'll learn the rest later. So let's count then just to 20. So let's start with 16 and then we'll get up to 20 and then we'll start from 1 and go all the way to 20. So it's 10 y 6, so 10 and 6, 10 y 6, but spelled together. 10 y 7, 17, 10 y 8, 10 y 9, 20. Muy bien. We're only going to count from 11 to 20 just for the sake of time. I don't want this video to last forever. But let's just go 11 to 20. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien. Ahora, let's try to count from 20 to 30. So 20 y 1, 20 y 2, 20 y 3, 20 y 4, 20 y 5, 20 y 6, 20 y 7, 28, 29, 30. Muy bien. So now 30, 31 would be 31. ¿Sí? Muy bien, clase. Excelente. Empiezo con los números. So good start with those numbers. And we will use them in the fechas and phone numbers and math problems and everything else. So you will have to know the other numbers for tests and stuff, but they won't be nearly as common as these ones. These are the main ones. As long as you get the pattern down, you can go learn the other 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80, 90 in your textbook. Hasta pronto. Adiós.